If Inkscape is crashing because of a text or font issue, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple way to fix it fast. We'll look at two practical solutions. First, converting text to paths if a specific font is causing problems. And second, identifying and removing a corrupted font if Inkscape crashes when you use the text tool. This can save you a lot of time and help you get back to designing without constant errors. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the safest quick fix when one specific font is crashing Inkscape. If your design contains text that won't open properly, or if Inkscape freezes when it tries to load a certain font, you can convert that text into paths. This turns the editable letters into vector shapes, so Inkscape no longer has to read the font file every time. To do this, open your project and select the text that is causing the issue. Once the text is highlighted, press Ctrl plus Shift plus C on your keyboard. You can also go to the Path menu at the top and choose Object to Path. Either method does the same thing. What this does is freeze the appearance of the text into shapes, so the letters become part of the artwork instead of depending on the font. This is especially useful if you already know the design is finished and you just want to prevent the crash from happening again. Keep in mind that once text is converted to paths, you can't edit the wording like normal text anymore. So if you might need to change the wording later, it's a good idea to duplicate the object first or save a backup copy of your file before converting. Now, if Inkscape is crashing specifically when you click the text tool, the problem is often not your project at all. In many cases, the issue is a broken or corrupted font installed on your computer. A damaged .ttf or .otf file in your Windows Fonts folder can make Inkscape unstable, especially when it tries to load font previews or open the text editor. To check this, close Inkscape completely first. Make sure it is not running in the background, then go to your Windows Fonts folder and look for any fonts you've recently installed. If the crashing started after adding a new font, that font is the most likely cause. The easiest way to test this is to move the recently installed fonts out of C:\Windows\fonts and place them somewhere else temporarily, such as a folder on your desktop. You don't necessarily need to delete them right away, just remove them from the fonts folder so Inkscape can't load them. After that, reopen Inkscape and test the text tool again. If Inkscape works normally after removing those fonts, you found the problem. You can then leave the bad font uninstalled or replace it with a clean copy from a trusted source. If the program still crashes, repeat the process by checking other recently added fonts until you isolate the one that is broken. This method is one of the fastest ways to troubleshoot Inkscape text errors because it helps you separate a document issue from a system font issue. If the font is the problem, removing it usually fixes the crash immediately. And if the issue is only with one object in your design, converting that text to paths is often enough to keep your file stable. So to recap, if a specific font is causing trouble, select the text and convert it to paths with Ctrl plus Shift plus C or Path, then Object to Path. And if Inkscape crashes when you click the text tool, close the program and remove recently installed fonts from C:\Windows\fonts to find the corrupted file. If this tutorial helped you fix the Inkscape text and font error, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.